This is my dad, and this is his new van that he's converting to a camper. Now everyone knows dads are the hardest to buy Christmas presents for, so this Christmas I decided to do him a practical gift. I'm putting him together a toolkit for his camper that he can leave in there with a load of basic tools, so he's never without but doesn't have to pack tools every time he uses it. I wanted to fill this with really basic tools, the sort of stuff that is handy for a variety of situations, from a flat tyre to some loose wiring. I wanted this to be something he could leave in his van for emergencies so that he doesn't have to put his tools in and out all the time. I decided to mount the tools into a sheet of shadow foam to keep them all organised and compact, and then there's plenty of space left in the lumberjack tool bag to fill with whatever else he needs. I try to keep this limited to one sheet because you don't really want a huge bag full of tools in your camper all the time, especially when space is limited. So I went for the most compact version of a few essential tools that I could find. There were a few little bits that didn't fit into the foam, so these just got put into the pockets. Then, finally, some of his favourite fruit for health reasons, and that was all done. I hope you all had a great Christmas. This is the last video for 2025. Now I've got lots of big projects planned for the channel for 2026, so make sure you subscribe for those. Massive thank you to everybody who supported me this year. Have a very happy new year, and I'll see you in the next one.